Hello, my friends. It's Ms. Stevenson here to do another art activity with you. And this time I wanted to talk to you about something called symmetry. Symmetry is actually something we talk about in math. And it is when two sides of something are exactly the same. It's when they match, they mirror each other. So I'm going to show you how to draw a symmetrical picture. Okay, the first thing I did was I folded a piece of paper in half, and I'm going to open it up, and right down the folded line I'm going to draw a line so that I know where half my page is. Okay, there's my line down the middle. Now I'm going to draw something that is the same on either side. Okay, I'm going to start up here and do shape that looks like that. And then I'm going to match the shape on the other side and try to get it as much the same as possible. Okay, now I'm going to draw a line with a little spiral on the end like that. And I'm going to draw it the same on both sides. And now I'm drawing that. What do you think I'm making? Probably guessed I'm making a butterfly. My butterfly is symmetrical. It is the same on both sides. And I want you to try to make something symmetrical, something that is the same on both sides. So if I can see how I'm doing, I did a dot here in the little curved part and another one over here. And I matched them here and I matched them here. See there? So now I'm going to color my butterfly, and when you color a symmetrical picture, the colors have to match as well. So I'll do the body of my butterfly purple. And it's okay that I'm covering up the line that I drew down the middle. You don't have to see that line anymore after you've drawn the drawing. When you color it, you can cover it up if you want to. So here I'm doing the middle purple, and I'm doing it both on the same side. So even though I drew this half first and this half second, I drew the whole thing purple because they have to be the same. Now I want to color this dot green. If you do a butterfly, you can color yours any way that you want to. Because I drew this one green, I also have to color this one green. It needs to match. Okay? There we go with our dots. Now I want some orange. I'm going to do this one orange. So what do you think I'm going to say now? If I did this dot orange, I also need to draw this one orange. If I fold it in half, this one is also orange. Because they're the same on both sides. And now I'm going to do the last one down here, red, which means the one across from it also needs to be red. And now I think I am going to color the wings yellow. And because I'm doing this wing yellow, I need to do the other wing yellow as well. So here's this wing, nice and yellow. this one. There we go. When something is symmetrical, we have a line down the middle, and the things are the same distance apart from the line. So this green dot is this far apart on this side. That means it also needs to be this far apart on this side. This orange dot is a little bit farther away. It's this far apart from the line on this side. So this side also needs to match, needs to be this far apart on this side. If you folded them in half, they'd make a print of each other. All right, so this is how you draw a symmetrical picture. It's the same on both sides. Here's another example of a symmetrical picture. See here? I drew a line down the middle, and the cloud is this far away from the line on this side, so it needs to match and be the same distance from the line on this side. It's the same on both sides. Here's one more symmetrical picture I drew. It's a turtle. So this little piece of the tail has to match the same piece of tail on the other side. Both sides are the same. So my challenge to you is to try to draw a symmetrical picture. It can be any kind of picture that you want. You can do one of the same ones that I did. You could do a turtle or a rainbow and clouds and birds, or you could do a butterfly, or maybe you could think of something different that's symmetrical. People's faces are symmetrical. You could draw a circle or an oval for a face and draw a line down the middle and match the facial features on both sides. It's up to you what you want to try this week, but I'm really looking forward to seeing what creative ideas you come up with for symmetry. Have fun.